Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. So the US 50 million concessional financing approved by Asian Development Bank is to support health system transformation in Fiji under the Pacific Healthy Island Transformation or FIT project, which is a regional program led by World Bank and co-financed by the development partners. The purpose of ADB financing is to support long-term structural reform and investment in Fiji's health system, including strengthening tertiary care, training capacity, digital health transformation, and Fiji's role as a regional referral hub for the Pacific. And importantly, this ADB support does include the phased investment at the Colonial War Memorial Hospital. And it supports the first phase of the new regional referral hospital and national training facility alongside modern medical equipment and digital health upgrades. And these are transformational investments designed to underpin future service delivery and workforce development. This ADB investment is embedded within the broader World Bank FIT project, which is a 6-year multi-country initiative to modernize Fiji's health system. Under the FIT program, Fiji is strengthening the hospital capacity at CWM, including the upgrades and expansion of the patient wards to reduce bed block, improve infection prevention and control, and enhance patient safety and staff safety. It also includes primary health care through networks of care with the upgrades of 17 priority health facilities. I can name two important ones, which is Lalabalavu and Nafil, which we serving around a population of more than 300,000 people, and again reducing the avoidable pressure on CWM Hospital, and specialist and regional services, including the preparation for a regional radiotherapy center supporting Fiji's role as a Pacific Health Hub. And alongside these long-term reforms, government has also acted decisively to address immediate safety and operational risks at CWM through the Priority Infrastructure Planning or PIP process supported by Australian government under the Huvale Partnership. PIP is not a redevelopment project. It is a technical, evidence-based plan identifying urgent remedial works needed to keep the existing hospital safe, functional, and operational while long-term redevelopment proceeds. Through Australian support, includes 14.7 million funding commitment. And the government has commenced the highest priority works, including roofing repairs, ward upgrades, water security improvements, and sewer remediation. And contractors were mobilized in January of this year, with the first tranche of works expected to be completed by the second quarter of this year. And taken together, ADB financing supports the long-term tertiary and training infrastructure. World Bank-led FIT projects drives system-wide transformation from community to tertiary care, and DFET supported PIP ensures service continuity and safety today. And these initiatives are deliberately sequenced, complementary and mutually reinforcing, delivering both immediate protection for patients and staff and a clear pathway towards a modern, resilient health system for Fiji. In terms of the timeline, as you had asked, we're looking at the first 30 months for the implementation, first 30 months to ensure that the what has been planned are implemented on the ground in the first phase of the projects.